Dividing fractions. In this example, we're doing 5/7 divided by 2/3. When you're dividing fractions, you take the second fraction and you flip it upside down and multiply. So this becomes 5/7 times 3/2. You then multiply in the normal way. Check the diagonals. Can anything cancel? No. So we go straight to our multiplication. 5 times 3/7 times 2 is 15/14. And as a mixed number, 14 goes into 15 one whole time with a remainder of 1. So 1 and 1/14. Looking at this next example, we can see here on the diagonal we've got a 5 and a 10 and a 3 and a 9. These cannot cancel at this stage. You cannot cancel about a dividing sign. You can only cancel on the diagonal when you're multiplying. So the first thing we do is change this into a multiplication by flipping the second fraction upside down. Now we check the diagonal and we see that nothing cancels. So we go straight to multiplying. Top times top, 5 times 10 gives me 50. 9 times 3 gives me 27. 27 goes into 50 one whole time, and there is a remainder of 23. So final answer is 1 and 23/27. Now, flipping the second fraction upside down leaves us with 2/7 times 15/14. This time, once I've got to the multiplying stage and I check my diagonals, I see that I can cancel the 2 and the 14. I couldn't cancel here because I wasn't multiplying, but I can cancel here because I'm multiplying. So dividing both of those by 2 brings that to a 1 and a 7. We're now doing 1 times 15/7 times 7, giving us an answer of 15/49. We check to see if that can simplify, and it can't. There are no common factors for 15 and 49. Therefore, that is our final answer. We now have a division with mixed numbers. Remember, mixed numbers must always be changed into top-heavy before we add, subtract, multiply, or divide fractions. To do that, we times the denominator by the whole number, so 3 times 6 is 18, and then we add on the numerator, bringing us up to 20. So that becomes 20/3. In the next one, we do 9 times 1, which is 9, plus 5, which is 14. So 14/9. We then need to remember to flip the second fraction upside down and multiply. Now we're at the multiplying stage, we can check the diagonals for cancelling. And this fraction will cancel. The 3 and the 9 cancel to a 1 and a 3. The 20 and the 14, dividing by 2, cancel to 7 and 10. We are then doing 10 times 3/1 times 7. 10 times 3/1 times 7. 30/7. To change this back into a mixed number, for the final answer, 7 goes into 34 whole times, which would bring us up to 28, and there is a remainder of 2. So 4 whole times with a remainder of 2, 4 2/7.